Sa mga nagtatanong, ito na ang aking updated video ng top 6 high interest savings accounts in the Philippines. So may mga changes na like yung ING has decided to exit the retail banking market in the Philippines at may mga bagong digital banks din na na-introduce. So ito ang karaniwang interest rates na binibigay ng mga traditional banks sa ating savings. So sobrang baba tapos less 20% withholding tax pa. This is one of the reasons why digital banks are on the rise in the Philippine market. So dumadami na ang gumagamit ng digital banks kasi mas mataas ang interest. Pwedeng-pwede mong ipark dito ang iyong emergency fund kasi mas mataas ang interest at liquid din ang money kasi madali ding mag-withdraw if need mo ng money. Don't worry, all these banks are regulated by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas and insured by PDIC up to 500,000 pesos na deposit. And you can open an account in the comfort of your own home as long as you have active mobile phone number and email address. So let's start. So the first is CIMB Bank. CIMB Bank is one of the pioneers in digital banking here in the Philippines. CIMB is a Malaysian-based company and it's one of the leading banks in the ASEAN region and is present in over 16 global markets. It was launched in the Philippines in December 2018 and has since onboarded over 4 million customers. CIMB offers a complete package for Filipinos, so high interest savings with insurance. O, di ba? Saan ka pa? Sa ngayon, you can get the savings interest rate up to 8% per annum. So please note that this is on promotion and it's subject to change. There are three savings accounts that you can choose from. For high interest savings accounts, so you can choose between UpSave and GSave. So you can access it sa CIMB app, while yung GSave naman you can access in both GCash and CIMB. Yeah, so you can get a minimum interest rate of 2.5% per annum sa UpSave account and 2.6% per annum sa GSave account. UpSave has free life insurance coverage up to 250,000 pesos. So you just need to maintain a minimum average daily balance of 5,000 pesos in your UpSave account. So how to earn higher interest rates up to 8% per annum? So the minimum interest rate is 2.5 to 2.6%. And then you can earn up to 4% per annum interest rate. There are two options. You need to maintain a minimum balance of 100,000 pesos in your UpSave and or GSave account, or you need to grow your average daily balance by at least 500 pesos each month in your UpSave and or GSave. So ito, binabaan na nila yung requirement. So previously, it was 1,000 pesos each month. Sa ngayon, 500 pesos na lang. O, di ba? You can earn additional 2% more if you have successful cash in, cash out, buy load, or bills payment transaction of at least 500 pesos using the CIMB app. Get an additional 2% per annum interest if you have one successful on-time repayment of personal loan installments or Revi credit minimum amount. Kung wala kang loan, so you can get up to 6% per annum. According to their website, so this promotion is until end December. So hopefully, ma-extend pa ito so we can enjoy higher interest rate in our savings. Okay, and other products, they have personal loan. So you can borrow up to 1 million pesos. So meron ding G-credit sa GCash. So you can borrow up to 30,000 pesos. Third naman is yung Revic credit. So up to 250,000 pesos credit line. Requirements to open an account. So you must be at least 18 years old, Filipino citizen, and you must have a valid government ID or student ID if you're a student. And you must have a Philippine mailing address and an active Philippine mobile number. For GSave naman in GCash, you need to upgrade your GCash account para magamit mo yung GSave na feature. Alright, so next one is yung Maya Bank. So Maya is the e-wallet formerly known as PayMaya. Maya is now an all-in-one money app. So you can still use it as an e-wallet. You can also shop online. You can save money. And you can also invest in crypto to grow your money. And it also has Maya credit, so you can borrow up to 15,000 pesos. You can earn up to 6% per annum interest rate. So please note that this is also on promotion and subject to change. So sana tuloy-tuloy na rin nila para ma-enjoy natin ang higher interest rate up to 6% per annum. So minimum interest rate so without promotion is 4.5% per annum, which is good pa rin, mataas pa rin compared to traditional banks. So how to qualify for 6% interest per annum? There are four options to earn higher interest. So the first option is you can pay via QR code for a minimum of 250 pesos. You can also pay online with Maya app for a minimum of 250 pesos. You can also pay with your Maya card, so minimum of 250 pesos. And the fourth option, you can pay a bill for a minimum of 250 pesos. If you don't have an account yet, so just download the app and sign up to create an account. So your mobile phone number will be your official account number. You can use my referral code to get a reward. So I will also put my referral link in the description box below. And then, to unlock more features, kailangan mong i-upgrade ang account mo. So, ito yung requirement to upgrade your account sa isang primary ID, sa school ID if you are still a student, or government ID. Kung wala ka namang primary ID, you can use two secondary IDs. Next one is Tonic. Yes, if you love to save money, you will never go wrong with Tonic. Okay, so Tonic is a Singapore-based company and is officially the first neobank in the Philippines to get a digital bank license from the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. Tonic was recognized as one of the top 50 most promising fintech companies worldwide. And Tonic is now present in three countries, so Singapore, India, and Philippines. It was launched in the Philippines in March 2021. Savings interest rates 4% per annum for solo stash and 4.5% per annum for a group stash. So kung meron kang gustong pag-ipunan, ipon goals, so you can create up to 5 solo stashes. And then yung sa group stash naman, it's a social stash, so you can invite your friends or family members to earn higher interest. Isa pang gustong-gusto kong feature ng Tonic Bank ay yung time deposit nila. So you can get up to 6% per annum na interest rate for a minimum of 6 months. Other products, they also have loan products. Flex loan, so you can borrow up to 250,000 pesos. Quick loan, so up to 50,000 pesos. And there's also a shop installment loan up to 100,000 pesos. And big loan up to 2.5 million pesos. Requirements to open an account, so you must be at least 18 years old. So you must have a Philippine mailing address, email address, and an active Philippine mobile number and a valid ID. Okay, next one is CBank. Bago pa lang tong CBank. CBank is part of C Limited. So it's a global consumer internet company founded and headquartered in Singapore. And it's listed on the New York Stock Exchange at ang ticker code niya is SE. And it operates three core businesses across digital entertainment. So they have e-commerce and then digital payments and financial services. Cbank Philippines is the partner bank of Shopee. It was launched in the Philippines in June 2022. So bago-bago pa siya. Savings interest rate is 5% per annum. There are three options to sign up. So you can register using your mobile phone number. You can also register if you have a Shopee account. Yeah, so continue with Shopee. You can also register using your Apple account. So you just need to download the app so you can sign up. You need an active Philippine mobile number and a valid ID. So next is Discartech by RCBC. Discartech is the Philippines' first all-in-one Taglish app. It was launched in the Philippines in July 2020. It was awarded as the best digital bank in the Philippines for 2020 and 2021 by Asia Money. Key features of this Cartex, so you can use it as an e-wallet, you can send money, pay bills, and buy load. You can save money. So, pwede ka mag-ipon and get a high interest rate. And then you can also access telemedicine to access online healthcare services. And meron din silang marketplace where you can shop for the best loan product suited to your needs. And this Discardtech has the lowest transfer fee to other banks at 8 pesos. And then, yeah, so mataas din ang interest rate. So you can get as high as 3.5% per annum. And requirements to open an account. So you must be 18 years old and above. And you must have a Philippine mailing address and mobile number and one valid primary ID. Next is Como by East West Bank. So, Como is a fully digital banking service developed by East West Bank. So, it was launched in the Philippines in May 2020. Meron silang tatlong products, savings, insurance, and buy loan. And interest rate is 2.5% per annum. And requirements to open a Como account, so you must have active Philippine mobile number and email address, Philippine mailing address, and one valid ID. So hindi kailangan ng initial deposit, maintaining balance and interest earning balance sa lahat ng mga digital banks na ito. Take note na yung mga interest na nabanggit dito ay subject to 20% withholding tax. Okay, so yan ang anim na high interest savings accounts na pwede nyo i-consider para sa inyong ipon goals. At meron ding mga bagong digital banks na na-introduce recently. So ito yung Uno Bank. It's a Singapore-based company. So mataas din yung interest rate. So you can earn 4.25% per annum for 5,000 pesos and up, and then 3.5% per annum for below 5,000 pesos. Time deposit, ang taas ng interest. Tunay merong pinakamataas na interest rate sa time deposit. You can earn up to 6.5% per annum. May isa pa, ito naman yung GoTime. Pag may-ari naman ito ng Gokong Way, so Philippine-based company, savings interest rate is 3% per annum. So I will share more about these new digital banks in my upcoming videos kasi hindi ko pa masyadong napapag-aralan. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video.